Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're looking at how to calculate the nth root of a number in JavaScript. We'll handle both positive and negative exponents to find roots and their reciprocals. Let's get started and break this down step by step. Sometimes, we need to find the nth root of a number in math or science apps. It is especially handy for square roots, cube roots, or inverse roots with negative exponents. We'll also build a function that handles this flexibly. Next, let's look at the JavaScript code that does this. We start by checking if the root is odd or the number is negative. Then, we calculate the power using Math.pow and handle the sign adjustments. Finally, we return the correct positive or negative result based on n. This handles both normal and inverse roots smoothly. We use the power operator to get the nth root by raising n to 1 over n. If the exponent is negative, we're really finding a reciprocal root. We also handle negatives differently for odd versus even roots. In the end, we get exactly the value we want. Here are a few quick examples. The square root of 64 is 8, and using a negative 2 returns 1 over the square root, or 0.125. This method is powerful for any exponent. You can use it in math tools, calculators, or data apps. This function is great in scientific calculators, or any tool working with roots. You can also build interactive learning apps or data visualizations. It's simple, effective, and covers many math scenarios. Now, let's wrap up what we've learned today. In summary, we've built a program that allows us to calculate the nth roots in JavaScript. You can apply this to lots of practical problems and build advanced tools. Thanks for tuning in. Keep coding and see you next time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.